So my husband is going to cook today. क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
I'm cooking today Hyderabad keema.
हैदराबादी कीमा.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Hey guys, welcome to my another vlog. And if you guys have seen my last vlog, you guys know that I tried to make paneer at home. And so this is the paneer, and I kept it overnight so that I can drain out all the moisture from the paneer. I was very skeptical about it because I have made it with 2% fat milk, so it was not full fat milk. So here it looks sturdy, but yes, it broke, it shattered just like my dreams. Anyways, it still had a lot of moisture in it, so I was thinking to wrap it in the paper towel so that the paper towel can absorb a lot of moisture from this one, and maybe then it will be better. Yeah, it shattered. I mean, it broke because it was not completely dry. There was still a lot of water in it. So here I'm wrapping it in the towel paper, and I don't mind if it tastes good, although if it didn't took the shape, it's still okay if it tastes good, because this is the first time I was trying it, and I can just make paneer burji out of it. Yeah, you can see here there's so much water in it. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so here is the paneer completely wrapped up in the paper towel, and as you can see, it was already absorbing a lot of moisture. So yeah, it will be better later. And actually, this was the first thing I checked after waking up in the morning. So I'm gonna go and have my breakfast. So I made some of the breakfast, and then my husband came and he said he wanted to eat bhindi, and he started making it. And meanwhile, I started filming this part of the video. I am actually filming this because I was planning to clean this area, the family room, kitchen and the dining area, but I ended up not doing it. So I wanted to film actually the before and the after, just to show you guys how messy it was and how does it look after cleaning. But then I had other things to do, so I just postponed this one, and then I thought I will do something else rather than doing this now. So I thought like I will do it next day. Anyways, for the breakfast I'm having this bhindi and kebab mixed. Bhindi was made by my husband because he wanted to eat it, and then I made the kebab and we mixed both together. So my husband is going to cook today. क्या बना रहे हैं आप?
I'm cooking today Hyderabad keema.
हैदराबादी कीमा.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. क्या हुआ अभी तक, क्या करा है अभी?
I'm like
Onion, right?
ऑनियन को तेल में डालकर 2 कप तेल प्याज डाल के उसको बादामी रंग हुए तक भूनना चाहिए.
Oh my God, Chef Ahmed. So there is like oil and onion. He's sauteing the onion right now, and then he's going to add stuff in there. I'm not going to show you how he makes everything, but yeah, so he's making today. And my job is to wash the dishes. So I'm going to wash the dishes and he's going to cook. He actually said earlier that he wants to wash the dishes, and he said like you can start cooking. But then later he said like, oh, आज मैं बनाऊँ खाना. So I was like, no, it's okay. And then he was like, आज मैं बनाता हूँ खाना. I was like, okay, fine, you can cook now. So here he is. And he also stole my apron. I was wearing it, and then he just came and untied the apron, and he said like, I'm the chef today, so I'm going to use the apron. You don't need that. And I was like, I need to wash the dishes, I need the apron. But then he was like, no, I'm going to cook and I need the apron. So he took the apron. Chor. Here are the dishes that I need to clean now. Okay, so time to tackle the dishes, and it's a lot. Oh, all right, let's go. All right, all done with the dishes, finally. Now I just have to wipe down the area, this area, and then I'll be done. And now let me show you guys how does the keema looks. So here is the keema, and I actually forgot to tell him that our pressure cooker whistle was not working properly, but glad that he turned off the gas at the correct time. And this keema was really delicious, although it looked a bit dry, but it was really good. Hey guys, so we are ready for the dinner now. Here is the roti. And Ahmad is preparing roti, right Ahmad?
Yes.
So he is making roti. I mean, he's just like, cooking it. It's already made. And the kebab is ready, and we are going to eat dinner now. I have taken shower, so I'm all relaxed. I actually cleaned my bedroom, and I had a lot of stuff from my trip. I actually went to India 6 months ago, and I went to Saudi Arabia a couple of months ago, almost a couple of months ago. So I had a lot of stuff. I had a lot of luggage in my room, and I was actually procrastinating cleaning my room and setting up all the things, the gift that I got from Saudi Arabia or India, or the things that I purchased from there, the clothes and everything. So it was all in the luggage, and I was taking my time. I was always thinking like, I'm gonna do it next day, so I wasn't doing that. And then so I did that today. I cleaned my room, and yeah, right now I'm gonna have dinner, watch something on the TV, and then I'm going to do the laundry. So I'm waiting for Ahmed to come downstairs, and then we can start a movie. I was thinking to watch not a Bollywood movie, but a South Indian movie. It's called Aruvi, and then we're gonna have dinner and watch the movie. So let's see. Let me show you. So I'm trying to find this movie online. I do see this one here, Aruvi, and it's Hindi dubbed. So let's see if it's.
सारी समस्याओं का उपाय यहाँ है इस मंच पर।
सरकार चाहती है कि सब कोई नशेबाज हो जाए, इसीलिए तो फूल की बजाय जगह जगह भाई सब खोल रखे हैं सरकार ने। आज अगर अपने माँ
So I think we have that movie online on YouTube, and I'm going to watch that here. And I have heard like it's a good movie, so let's see. So our dinner is here: roti, anda, and keema. Oh, and chai also. Did you just make the chai?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Now we're gonna watch something on the TV. Alright, so we are done watching the movie, and to be honest, we both didn't really enjoy the movie. It was dragging a lot. So anyhow, we finished it, and then after that I went upstairs to wash the dishes and clean the kitchen, and then I folded the laundry, and now I'm here washing more clothes in the laundry, and my husband is taking shower. Meanwhile, we both are not sleepy yet, so don't know what to do. Maybe we will watch something else just to fresh our mind. So let's see.
इसकी गलती नहीं है बे। मालूम है।
So here we are enjoying this Indian soda and watching another movie, Bollywood movie. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.